Fibre Processing and Manufacturing FP&M Seta was established by the Honourable Minister of Higher Education and Training on the 1st of April 2011, after government took a decision to cluster sectors in order to strengthen value chain linkages between related industries. The FP&M Seta consists of 13 subsectors, namely the clothing, footwear, forestry, furniture, general goods, leather, packaging, printing, print media, publishing, pulp and paper, textiles and wood products sectors. Although classified individually, the subsectors are closely integrated. Together, they create tremendous value in the lives of consumers by converting lumber, pulp, natural or synthetic fibers, animal skins into finished products such as furniture, clothing, shoes, protective equipment, paper and paperboard, printing, industrial fabrics, and extending into high-tech applications in many different industries. If you think about it, you can't go through a day without using one or more of the products manufactured in the fibre processing and manufacturing sector. The Fibre Processing and Manufacturing Seta has been labelled as one of South Africa's toughest training organisations to manage. Taking on this enormous task is Peleng Yendi.
The new leader that comes on board should be able to provide direction that will then deliver the results.
Peleng Yendi has won numerous illustrious awards, including titles of Africa's most influential woman in business and public sector visionary. Having been actively involved in transformation at various companies, she holds fast that transforming lives and the careers of people has become a keen passion.
And our learners are here today. Would want you guys to make use of this opportunity to get to understand what FP&M Seta is all about, what we are offering. We actually have 13 subsectors that we are working with, and across these 13 subsectors there are a lot of skills and career opportunities. You are here today as learners to get to understand closely and work closely with those companies. Fundamentally, what we do is to facilitate the training of skills development, okay? And I think, guys, as we're walking around, you actually saw some exhibitions, where a number of products are being produced, okay? And it's important for you to take up those lessons, because primarily you are the very VVIPs today, okay? Very, 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 very important people. And this is really for you.
Welcome to the FP&M Seta Skills and Career Development Summit. Please stand for our national anthem.